Hey guys, I'm Justin Boggs, the co-founder and chief revenue officer of Marketplace Valet. We have been an Amazon seller since 2006 with over 400,000 reviews as a seller. I'm here to help you learn about Amazon, solve problems, and answer common questions. Today's video is about why your Amazon listing is flagged. Here's how I fixed it. Let's get into it. It seems like you've run into a common issue on Amazon. Your listing has been flagged, and it's important to understand what might be triggering it so we can work through it. I had a client with a similar problem recently. They were selling masks, and their listing got flagged for two major reasons: a COVID-19 claim and a pesticide violation. It sounds strange, right? But it's not unusual for Amazon to flag random items, even household objects like tweezers, under pesticide regulations. What we did first was go through all the bullet points and the title of the listing, making sure there was no mention of COVID or any prohibited keywords. Sometimes it's not even about the actual claim you're making, but how Amazon interprets certain words in your listing. In this case, they got flagged for the title not being properly capitalized. It seems minor, but when Amazon's algorithm detects even the smallest inconsistency, it can result in a flag. After addressing that, we had to clear the pesticide issue. There's a specific test Amazon requires sellers to pass, and once that was done, it helped a lot in resolving the issue. But it didn't end there. Even after taking care of the obvious keywords, we had to look behind the scenes. Sometimes the problem lies in back-end keywords or alt text, which are hidden from plain view, but can still trigger Amazon's system. After going through everything again and ensuring there were no references to chemicals, bugs, or anything remotely related to pesticides, we still ran into the issue. So what we did next was update the UPC code, because sometimes a listing's history can affect its current status, especially if it had been flagged before. At that point, we had 2 active cases with Amazon seller support, and nothing was moving. That's when we decided to escalate it further by sending an email to jeffamazon.com. It's a last resort tactic, but when your listing has been down for over 2 weeks and you feel like you're not getting anywhere with seller support, it's time to escalate. In the email, we simply laid out the situation, provided the case IDs, and asked them to escalate the issue. That usually gets some attention. In this particular category, which is already a bit sensitive, it's common to run into these challenges. Even after following all the right steps, there can still be issues. The key is to stay persistent, keep your communication with seller support focused, and be prepared to escalate when needed. It's not easy, but with the right approach, you can get your listing back up. If you have any questions, feel free to check us out at marketplacevalet.com. Like and follow us for more helpful Amazon content. Thanks for watching this video.